Namaskar everyone. Today we will start with new chapter, that is accounting equation. In the last video we discussed about the process and basis of accounting. There are two bases of accounting: cash basis of accounting and accrual basis of accounting. And one more basis of accounting is there, that is mixed and hybrid basis of accounting, that we already studied in the last video. Now before or prior to understand the accounting equation, it is essential to know about the balance sheet. As I already told you that balance sheet is prepared on a particular date, that is as on 31st March, and balance sheet is prepared to know about the financial position of the business, that is asset and liabilities at a particular date. So let me discuss first about the preparation of balance sheet. How you prepare balance sheet? There are 4 columns while preparing balance sheet: liability, amount, asset and amount. On the right hand side you have to mention the assets, and on the left hand side you have to mention the liabilities. There are number of assets in the business. It may be current asset or non-current assets, that I already told you in the chapter number 2, that is basic accounting terms. Same like liability will be of two type: internal liabilities and external liabilities. So here in the format given below, on the right hand side assets are given: cash, bank, debtors, BR, furniture, machinery. These all are the assets. And on the left hand side there are 3 liabilities I mentioned, like creditors and bill payable. So these are external liability, and capital is your internal liability. And why it is an internal liability? Because the amount which the business has to pay to the owner is called internal liability. So liability is 2, internal and external. Let's move to the next slide. So assets are recorded on the right hand side, whereas liability are recorded on the left hand side, that I already discussed in the previous slide. Now whenever you are preparing balance sheet, the total of both the side, that is asset and liability side, is always equal. Why the total of both the side are equal? Because the asset of the business either purchased from the funds supplied by the proprietor or supplied by the external parties. So whatever the asset we are showing on the right hand side, it is purchased either by the internal funds or by the funds supplied by the external parties. So from the conclusion of the above balance sheet, it means that asset is always equals to liability plus capital. So we can say that our accounting equation on the basis of balance sheet is asset equals to liabilities plus capital. Liabilities means external liability and capital means internal liability, and both liability and capital is always equal to the total of assets. So accounting equation signifies that asset is always equal to the total of liability and capital. Because each transaction of a business has a dual effect, and in each case asset equals to liability plus capital. And what is dual effect? That in chapter number 3, that is accounting principles, I already discussed on dual aspect principle. What is dual aspect principle? That each transaction affect at least 2 accounts. If one account is to be debited, then obviously another account should be credited, and each transaction affect the business in dual form And after the effect of each transaction, the accounting equations comes to that asset equals to liability plus capital. So this is how your accounting equation comes, and it is basically to understand the concept of balance sheet. So accounting equation itself comes out of the balance sheet. So in the next video, we'll discuss about how each transaction affect the asset, liability and capital. And after the effect of each transaction, the asset is always equals to liability plus capital due to dual aspect principle. And in this video, I discussed about the basic concept of accounting equation. In the coming video, I will take one example and will solve how your accounting equation makes asset equals to liability plus capital. Here is the format of accounting equation. There are 3 columns here. First one is serial number. After the serial number, you have to mention the transactions, that which kind of transaction is there, like purchase of goods for cash or whatever the expenses paid by the firm. Number of transactions are there, that we'll discuss in the next video. And after the transaction, you have to mention the impact of that transaction on the asset, liability and capital. And after the impact of each transaction on the asset, liability and capital, the accounting equation will be equal. That is, after each transaction, your asset is always equal to your liability plus capital. Thank you so much.